What if I told you that your small living room doesn't look cheap because it's small? It looks cheap because of a few small design mistakes. Luxury has nothing to do with size. Some of the most expensive apartments in the world have compact living spaces. The difference isn't space, it's styling, balance, and detail. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your small living room look luxurious using simple, practical changes that completely transform the vibe. And the best part? Most of these don't require major renovation. Let's start with the foundation. Color changes everything. If your living room has too many random colors, it will instantly feel cluttered. Luxury interiors usually follow a controlled palette. 2 or 3 main tones repeated throughout the space. Think warm beige, soft grayish, creamy white, muted olive, taupe, or charcoal. When your sofa, cushions, curtains, and decor all connect within the same color family, the room feels intentional. Luxury is cohesive, not chaotic. Now let's talk about lighting, because lighting can either destroy your design or elevate it instantly. One harsh ceiling light is never enough. Expensive-looking spaces layer their lighting. A warm floor lamp in one corner. A table lamp beside the sofa. Maybe a soft wall light creating indirect glow. Warm lighting creates depth and shadow. Cool white lighting makes everything look flat and cheap. If you change nothing else, change your bulbs to warm white. You'll see the difference immediately. Next comes scale. Small rooms often look crowded because the furniture is either too big or too tiny. When pieces are awkwardly sized, the room feels uncomfortable. Choose a sofa that fits the wall properly. Add one statement armchair instead of multiple small chairs. Keep the layout clean and breathable. Luxury living rooms always have space to move. Now let's talk about texture, one of the most overlooked secrets. Flat spaces look basic. Layered textures look expensive. Add a soft area rug under your seating. Use structured cushions in linen, velvet, or boucle. Place a textured throw casually over the sofa. Mix matte surfaces with subtle shine. Texture creates dimension. Dimension creates luxury. Another powerful upgrade is curtains. Short curtains instantly shrink a room. Cheap, thin curtains can make even good furniture look low quality. Hang your curtains higher than the window frame, and let them fall all the way to the floor. This visually elongates the walls and makes the ceiling appear taller. Choose neutral tones with soft, heavy fabric. The room will instantly feel grander. Now let's talk about decluttering, but in a designer way. Luxury spaces don't have too many small items scattered everywhere. They use fewer pieces but larger statement decor. Instead of many tiny frames, hang one large artwork. Instead of several small vases, use one oversized ceramic piece. Visual simplicity feels expensive. Editing your space is often more powerful than adding to it. Mirrors are another secret weapon in small living rooms. Placed strategically, a mirror reflects light and creates the illusion of depth. When positioned opposite a window or near a lamp, it amplifies brightness. A large mirror with a simple frame can completely transform the perception of space. Now let's talk about furniture details. Hardware, legs, and finishes matter more than most people think. If your coffee table looks basic, style it intentionally. Add 2 or 3 curated items. A book stack, a sculptural object, maybe a candle. Keep it balanced. If possible, choose pieces with slim legs instead of bulky bases. Seeing a bit of floor underneath furniture makes the room feel lighter and more spacious. Heavy furniture can visually shrink a room. Symmetry is another designer trick. 2 matching lamps. Balanced cushions. Even spacing between decor items. Symmetry creates calm. And calm always feels luxurious. Another major difference between basic and luxury spaces is negative space. Don't push every wall full of furniture. Don't fill every corner. Allow certain areas to breathe. That empty space is what makes the styled areas stand out. Luxury isn't about filling, it's about refining. Rugs also play a critical role. A rug that's too small makes the room look disconnected. Ideally, at least the front legs of your sofa and chairs should sit on the rug. This ties everything together visually. When your furniture feels anchored, the room feels intentional. Let's not forget scent and atmosphere. Luxury is not only visual, it's sensory. A subtle room fragrance, fresh air, soft music in the background. These details complete the experience. Your living room should feel like a calm retreat, not a storage area. And finally, confidence. Many small living rooms look basic because the owner plays it too safe or too random. Luxury spaces feel curated because someone made clear decisions. Choose a direction. Stick to your palette. Repeat tones. Keep it clean. Layer lighting. Add texture. Edit excess. Small doesn't mean limited. In fact, small spaces have the potential to look even more luxurious because every detail becomes intentional. When you focus on cohesion, warmth, proportion, and simplicity, your living room will no longer feel cramped. It will feel curated. And that's the real secret of luxury. If you found this helpful, comment below what your living room struggles with the most: lighting, clutter, or layout. And if you want more design secrets that transform small homes into high-end spaces, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Sparkles!